Hey everybody, it's Mr. Carr again. Today we're going to be looking at 3.3 day 3, writing polynomial functions and models. So with our polynomials, what we're going to do is we're going to do something that's like in this image here. If I know for a fact that I have 3 zeros, it's going to do something like this, and we're going to multiply it out to get back to our standard form. And it's going to be a real quick one because I just have one example for you. That's right here. Write a polynomial of least degree with a leading coefficient of 1 that has roots of -2, 1, and 4. So we're going to think backwards a little bit. If I have roots at -2, 1, and 4, what does that look like? So if I'm crossing at -2, that would have been the result of x plus 2 equals 0. 1 would have been x minus 1 equals 0, and 4 would be x minus 4 equals 0. Think about it in terms of factoring. If this was the case, then my polynomial should have factored into these. So whatever the polynomial started at, it should have factored like this: x plus 2, x minus 1, x minus 4. Okay. So what we're saying here is we're basically taking each value that is a root, turn into the opposite number. Opposite there and opposite there. Then those are my factors. So the idea is that the polynomial f of x just looks like that. I don't like how I wrote x. Let me do that again. Okay. Now it says a leading coefficient of 1, so I know I can honestly just put a 1 there. It's not going to make any difference through the process. Okay. What we're going to do now is just multiply this out. So we're going to use our polynomial multiplication, do it as 2 steps. So the first step I'll do, personally, I'll just do these first two here. That'll be x plus 2 and then x minus 1. So it'll be x squared, then 2 times x, -1 times x, and then a -2. Combine our like terms so that f of x here is going to look like x squared plus x minus 2. And now I have a 3 terms times 2 terms. So make another box. So we got x squared, a positive x, and a -2, and then x and -4. So we got x times x squared is x cubed, x times x is x squared, -2x here, -4x squared, -4x, and a +8. So from here, I'm going to be able to combine my like terms here and here. So my polynomial is going to be x cubed, -4 plus 1 is a -3x squared, -4 and -2 is a -6x, and then a +8 at the end. And that's it. So again, we started with the factors. We get the factors from the given information of what roots we have. And then after that, we're able to turn it into standard form by just multiplying it out and doing our normal distribution rules. All right. And that's actually it for today. I told you it was a quick one. So that's make sure you just follow along with those factors, turning roots or zeros into factors and then multiplying it out. All right. Take care, everyone.